wrong. I love you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. I'll hold you when things go wrong. I love you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. You just sang that, and I wrote that on my Facebook, and then I came back here and logged in, and then you just sang that to me. Zane, are you on my Facebook, darling? I think he is. Baby, I know you love me. Willpower, you're wrong about that. Willpower says you don't love me. I don't believe that, Willpower. Willpower's not, don't know. He doesn't hate me, Willpower. See, I wrote on my Facebook and then I come back here and he just sang it to me straight away. You mean to say it's coincidence? No, I don't think so. It's destiny. I wrote on my Facebook, I hold you when things go wrong. I love you till dusk till dawn. And I came back here, and within 2 seconds he said it, sung it to me. Baby. Feelings, nothing but feelings. I'll never forget you, boy. And you're in my life.
Lovely content. I promise. I promise to you.
I still
I
love
looked at
you.
Fraser with this face.
It's amazing.
5-2 is the one
I
in
never
bronze.
leave you,
Congratulations
Zane.
to all the winners and the betting time is open.
I nearly tried, but I couldn't do it.
I got fresh tires.
I can't
right
leave
here,
you.
right
I
now.
don't want to.
So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready and shake the dice.
I don't want to leave you.